Hi everybody, welcome. In today's quick tips, we're going to be talking about the Seminole Pink Dombeya, which is the tropical hydrangea. Isn't she adorable? We're going to go over how you can take care of her and grow her in your garden. So, you ready to dig in? Let's grow. If you're looking for a plant that yells out tropical paradise, well, this may be a plant you want to consider. The Seminole Pink Dombeya also goes by the common name tropical rose hydrangea, and I'll get into that a little bit later. And its botanical name is Dombeya cross Seminole. She's a great plant to consider for tropical gardens from zones 9B protected to 11. And she likes to grow in full sun to part shade. I had her growing in our Shores home in part shade and she did fine. She got to about 5 feet by 5 feet. She didn't get as big, but she still flowered great. So while mine only got to about 5 feet, in full sun, you can expect her to get up to about 7 or 8 feet across and is tall. You get this beautiful rounded accent, so pretty. And speaking of pretty, let's talk about these blooms. The Seminole Pink Dombeya produces these absolutely stunning pendulous clusters of bright pink flowers. And each cluster or umbel actually looks similar, to some of the geraniums that we grow in our homes and our gardens. So cool. And another thing I'm going to talk about in just a second is that this plant looks so similar to the hydrangeas that are grown more further north. And it's not that they're related. They're not related to hydrangeas pretty much at all, but they look so similar, right? And so this is what we call in the field convergent evolution, where unrelated species independently evolve similar traits. And in this case, it's those gorgeous globe-like flower heads. And that's really, really neat. I just think nature is so cool, don't you? So if you're interested in getting your hands on some hydrangeas to grow down here more as an annual than a perennial, you can pick them up at Flamingo Road Nursery. I've seen them there. They sell really high quality plants there, and their hydrangeas are just so beautiful. Here's a little clip of them.
God, look at these, they're so beautiful. So pretty. Look at these. Wonderful, wonderful. Hydrangeas. Oh my God, they're beautiful.
Now let's talk a little bit about how you can use her in your garden. I like to design her as focal points or lining a walkway or even as a backdrop. But since she grows in this rounded form, she could also be like a centerpiece in your garden, like a bouquet, a big, beautiful, rounded bouquet. Now let's go over establishment and maintenance. To establish your plant, dig a hole about twice the size of the container, set your plant at grade, and make sure you water her in well and remove any air pockets. On fertilizer, she'll do well with a 10-10-10. I many times didn't fertilize mine and she still bloomed year in and year out. But a 10-10-10 added in very early spring will help kick out some more blooms for you. On watering, you want to water about 3 times a week, but you don't want to overwater. She doesn't like that. She's slightly drought tolerant after establishment, and she doesn't have many real pests to deal with. So that makes her quite a resilient plant for your garden. We hope this was helpful for you. If you have any thoughts or questions that we didn't cover in this video, please just leave a comment below or on our email at letsgroweco@gmail.com. So until the next video, bye. So cute. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And tell your friends and family. We post videos weekly. Thanks.